What's going on, YouTube? It is your boy Devon, and welcome to my channel, a channel where we talk about entrepreneurship and content creation as well. So today we're going to talk about, a few reasons why you are not successful on YouTube yet. Because the narrative is that YouTube does not like me. I'm just going to be honest with you, man. Look, there's a few reasons why you're not successful on YouTube yet. There's a few reasons, but I'm not going to really go in order on the reasons, but I'm going to speak based on my own knowledge and my own experience, because I've personally worked with, a few people who have more subscribers than myself. And, the reason why they have more subscribers than myself is because, to be honest, I feel like my gift is helping people. And a lot of times, man, every time I help someone, they always end up doing better than sometimes myself. Like, I don't know why, I was given that gift to help others, and when it comes to my own thing, I feel like I'm struggling. But when it comes to helping somebody else, it's like I do a better job helping that other person. So I feel like that's one of my gifts, man, like just helping in general. But we're gonna discuss the reason why you're not successful yet on YouTube. It doesn't mean that you're not gonna be successful in the future, right, on YouTube. It just means that right now, the reason why you're not out there blown up yet, here's why. So the first thing first is that we need to stop the narrative that YouTube is not on my side, right? And I feel like that's everybody, they're always blaming YouTube. Well, the algorithm is not on my side, it's not pushing out my videos, which could be true sometimes, right? But you got to find a way to beat the system. You can't always let the system win, right? So if YouTube is not on your side, it's a factor of reasons why it's not on your side. Like you're the reason why, right? You're the reason why your YouTube blew up, and you're the reason why it doesn't blow up. So, YouTube is just a tool that we use to display our videos, so that way it can be, viewed by the people that's actually looking or searching for those videos. So we need to remove that idea out the way. I'm telling y'all right now, I've just witnessed a few guys, they still, but they made a channel in 2020 when COVID started. These guys are at least at 120 subscribers as we speak today. It's more than 3 people that I know, and I know them personally, right? They're over 130 subscribers today. And after seeing their, progression, in the beginning when COVID hit, they were just making videos for fun, right? But I feel like everyone I'm around always have a really good personality. So it's like their personality sold their videos. And some of their videos were not even the best videos, I'm not gonna lie. They were not the best productive video. You can tell they kind of rushed through the video, but these guys are funny, man. I mean, they have a really, a high sense of humor and personality. Some have a very, just attention grabbing, personality, where they can talk for hours and you're just there listening to them. They don't have to put edits here and there. And I was just like that, like, y'all went from like 10 subscribers to like 1,000 to like 10,000, and you guys were able to do this faster than me. And the only difference between how they were able to move so fast and how I'm moving, because on this channel I have over 1,000 subscribers, I don't think I posted a lot of videos at all. I don't even post a lot of shorts. And I know shorts now is the new waves if you want to grow your subscribers. But if you want to make an income and a living, short is not the way. But if you want your subscribers to convert into, if you want your subscribers that subscribe to you from the shorts to convert onto the long format videos, then okay, that's gonna help you make a whole lot of revenue. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. These guys were extremely consistent. Like, I'm talking about posting at least 4 videos a week. At least. Like, 4 videos was the lowest that they were posting a week. And it just made me realize that, it makes sense that when you get on YouTube and you're consistently posting videos, right, that catches the audience attention, it's only gonna take 1 to 2 videos for people to notice you. And that's what it did. These guys dropped like 100 videos in like a few months. And of course, at least one video blew up. One video had to blow up. And of course, it started being a snowball effect, where one video blew up and then people started watching more videos, and then YouTube started recommending that person, and it was just mind-blowing. I just told myself, like, I asked myself, like, are these the same people that were like, I don't want to get on YouTube? And then when COVID hit, they finally got on YouTube, and then next thing you know, these guys are making like some high revenues. I mean, look, to be honest, it was just motivation for me, man. Like, it motivated me to be more consistent on YouTube, because every time I tell myself that, hey, Devon, you have to be consistent on YouTube. You're gonna be consistent on YouTube. It's always situations that happens, and then I use those situations as an excuse for me to not post a video. When I tell myself, hey, Deron, you gotta post at least 4 videos a week or 3 videos a week, right? I end up posting like 1 video every 2 months, right? Because there's always something that I use as an excuse, to not be able to do my videos. And sometimes those, situations are legitimate situations, but the thing is, sometimes, even though situations happen, we still have to make time to get these videos out there. So we really have to stop the narrative on, of YouTube is not on my side, because YouTube don't have to be on our side. We have to make YouTube be on our side. Like, they don't have to choose who they want to promote. We gotta tell YouTube, because YouTube is just it's an AI platform, right? It's not a human being, selecting your video. I mean, if they are, then that's just wrong, right? But I don't think it's a human being selecting the video that blows up. It's all about how you utilize the platform to make the AI, which is YouTube, the YouTube platform, be on your side. And as you guys can see, I mean, I have over 1,000 subscribers, and those subscribers are just coming from my personality on this channel. And I feel like when I talk to you guys, I kind of talk to you guys like how I talk in real life. I don't have to fake who I am. I don't have to fake my voice. I don't have to fake my person. Like, I don't have to fake my personality at all. And I feel like a lot of that is why, you guys are subscribing to my channel. And I really appreciate that. But, I hold myself accountable for not posting more videos as much as I'm supposed to, because I really want to start getting back on YouTube. And I tell myself this all the time. But I feel like this upcoming year, 2024, I left all my excuses out the window. That's just me personally. I don't know about you, but if you're watching this video, it's because you also feel the same way. You feel like you're not blown up on YouTube yet, and you want to blow up on YouTube. And the only way that you can really start blowing up on YouTube is if you just become yourself, man. Like, I'm talking about post weekly. Don't post every month. I don't care if somebody told you, post a really good video once a month or once a week. Bro, listen, all right? It doesn't matter how good your video look, but if you're only posting that once a week, your audience, if they really like you, they don't got time to wait they don't have time to wait just one time a week to watch a video. If somebody else does the same thing that you do, they post really, really good videos, but they post theirs 3 times a week, I'm gonna be honest, you just lost yourself a subscriber. I mean, an honest subscriber, right? Because it's like food, If you go to a restaurant that you really like, but they only have that one item that you enjoy once a week, even though it's closer to your house, right? Bro, it doesn't matter if it's close to your house. If they have it once a week, but you want that thing 3 times a week, you're gonna go to a restaurant that give you the best service, even if it's 15 or 20 minutes away from your house, even if it's 30 minutes away from your house, you're gonna go to that restaurant versus the one that's only 5 minutes away from your house, but they disappoint you so much because you like the food, but they don't always have it. They're not always ready. They're not always giving you what you need, that week. So it's the same analogy, guys. Like, you have to be more consistent. Don't listen to the gurus out there telling y'all that you should only post once a week. I'm telling you, all right? It might work with some people because some audiences like certain some audiences just like a certain a specific person. You know what I'm saying? If you come out here, let's say if you're a basketball player, right? You might already have some fans. You come on YouTube, you can only post maybe once a month. You're still gonna get love, man. But if you're someone that's starting from scratch, right? I'm talking about you're starting from the bottom. All right, from the bottom. There's no way that you're only gonna post one video a week. You gotta at least try 3. I'm telling you, man. 2 is okay, but listen, based on what I saw from my homies, man, go from 100 subscribers to 100,000. And one of the guys, actually, that's actually a friend of mine, didn't have a YouTube in 2020. He made one just for fun. And now the dude is actually, he doesn't have 200,000, but he at least have 100,000 in under 3 years. And for me, it was just motivating, like, dang, man, like, you got people out there right now that's doing things that they love and they get paid for it. The only difference is that these guys were being consistent even when they were not getting subscribers. They were still being consistent even when they were not making money, right? So that's the only difference. To be honest, I feel like when you really put in the work, right, you really put in the grind, you really put in the effort, I feel like at the end it's gonna pay off. Like, it's gonna pay off. It might not be the same month, but these guys waited. I mean, look, to be honest, if I were to start over in my YouTube career, I would have done the same thing. Like, drop a bunch of videos, right? that display the same personality. Don't try to have different personalities in different videos, because if one person come and watch you for this personality, they don't want to see you change it when you make a different video. One video you're goofy, the other video you're serious, and then the other video, you're complaining. I mean, you gotta have one personality. That's why this audience really resonate with you. So look, I feel like this year, 2024 coming up, guys, I challenge everybody watching this video to be more consistent on your YouTube journey. If you're watching this video right now, I'm telling you, man, you're watching this video right now. And if you're not consistent, I challenge you to be more consistent and start posting 3 videos a week. And take your time with your videos. Don't rush your videos. If you don't have video ideas, don't post. Post when you have your ideas. So therefore, you need to start having your ideas beforehand. Before you make your video, have the idea of the type of video you're going to talk about, right? Make sure that your camera is crystal clear and that your sound is really good. If you don't have a camera, it doesn't matter. Use your freaking phone. You need really good sound quality, guys, because some days I'm, on the road, and I listen to podcasts or I listen to certain YouTubers, and I don't like when a video is crappy. I want to be able to hear what you're saying. And having a really good microphone, it's pretty cheap. This microphone that you guys see right now was only like $30-something. It wasn't expensive, right? And there's cheaper microphones than this for like $10, $15, right? That you can use to connect with your phone to get really good sound. So guys, this is time. Look, there's no more excuses to give when you get on YouTube. Really, there's no more excuses to give when you get on YouTube. It's either you're gonna get on YouTube and really stop complaining and really start being consistent, all right? Consistency is key. And if you're on this YouTube channel, you're not seeing results, you got to start looking at yourself and ask yourself this question: what am I doing wrong? Like, what am I saying wrong in my videos? Why are my videos not being displayed to an audience when I'm posting 10 videos a freaking week, right? So for me personally, if I feel like my consistency is the reason why I'm not successful on YouTube, then I need to be more consistent. If I feel like the sound of my videos is crappy, then I need a better sound quality. Like, you gotta find what's really stopping you. And if you don't know what's stopping you, and you got some type of subscribers, you need to start asking them the things that they like about your videos and the things that they don't like about your videos. And you gotta be ready to take feedback when it comes to the things that they don't like about videos. Don't nobody wanna hear good things all day long. Like, tell me the things that I need to work on. That's the only way I get better. If you tell me the things that you like about me all the time, then I will assume that I'm this good, right? That, is nobody better than me. But if you tell me the things that I need to work on, then I know that there's room for opportunity to grow, in myself, right? So that's the same thing with YouTube, all right? The same exact thing with YouTube. So you got to be ready to take feedbacks from your subscribers. Even if it's bad, you got to be able to take it, and you got to be able to work on those feedback, because you might tell yourself, well, I make these videos for me. If you make these videos for you, then don't waste your time on YouTube. Just get on your phone, bro, and record on your phone and keep it in your phone. You make these videos because you're trying to make some money on YouTube, all right? You want to teach somebody something, or you want to talk about something in return for some compensation, for your work. So don't come here and start BSing people that you're only on YouTube as for memory. Bro, you can put on your phone. You can just keep it on your phone, right? Nobody is on YouTube for just memory. We on YouTube because we want it to be a second job, or we want it to be a source of income, right? That's why people get on YouTube, and because we love doing it. Once you like doing YouTube, you turn it into a job. So don't lie to yourself that I'm only doing it for memory, because you're not doing it for memory. You got to get this money. The only memory that you're going to remember is where you came from, where you started, and where you are now. You started from 0 subscribers, and today you might have 100,000. That's your memory right there. And then you're going to think about the hard work and how hard it took you to go from 0 to 100,000. That's your memory. So when you make these videos, don't lie to yourself that you make these videos for memory. No, you make these videos because you want to grind. You want to get out of this rat race, right? You got a family to feed. You got kids. You got a career. So don't lie to yourself. So guys, that's my message for you guys. The reason why you're not successful on YouTube yet has to deal with a lot of major things, and consistency is the biggest one of them all. So I challenge all of you guys to be more consistent on this YouTube journey. And I know that you guys will blow up soon, and one day, right? Your day will come, man. I'm just saying, your day will come. I'm just blessing you with my words right now. I'm just blessing you. So if God bless me, then I bless y'all. That's how it works, right? I get the blessing and I share my blessing. So I appreciate y'all for watching this video. I love y'all, and I hope to see you guys on the next video. I'm out. Whoop.